Bridge Course, Subject English, Class 5, Day 1 and 2, page number 23 to 28.
Hello children, welcome to our English class. Today we are going to learn an interesting topic, My Little Pictionary. Please take your Bridge Course module and turn the pages to page number 23. Do you know about Pictionary? Pictionary is a word guessing game. Are you ready to play with me? But before we start the game, we have to know the importance of dictionary. Dictionary helps you to know the words with meaning, right spelling, pronunciation, grammar part, phrasal verb, idioms, and more. You could use a variety of dictionaries for your vocabulary enrichment at the different stages of your learning. Okay, children, let's start our Pictionary game. Now, I show some pictures to you. You have to refer your dictionary and find out the meaning for the pictures. Look at the picture. Who is he? He is a doctor. D O C T O R. Now it is your turn. Please take your dictionary and refer your dictionary and find the meaning of the word. Doctor. It is a noun. The meaning of the word doctor is a person who treats sick people. Dear children, this is the way of playing Pictionary game. Now, I will show the next picture. Do you know who is he? He is a carpenter. C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R. Carpenter. Now it is your turn. Please refer your dictionary and find out the meaning for the word carpenter. Carpenter is a noun. What is the meaning for carpenter? A person who makes things made up of wood. Now I show another picture. Please look at the picture. Who is he? Archer. A-R-C-H-E-R. Archer. Now it is your turn. So please take your dictionary, refer your dictionary and find out the meaning for the word archer. What is the meaning for the word archer? A person who uses bow and arrow for sports or for hunting. Very good. Good job. Dear children, now let's see the difference between Pictionary and dictionary. Pictionary enhances to dictionary usage in an attractive and colorful manner along with pictures. Dictionary helps you to know the words with meaning, correct spelling, grammar part, phrasal verbs, idioms and more. Dear children, again we continue our Pictionary game. Now I show another picture. You find out the picture and the meaning also. Look at the picture. What is it? Can you guess this picture? I will give some clues. It is a 5-letter word. The words start with A and end with D. Can you guess this? I will say the meaning for this word. A prize given to recognize an achievement. Yes, you're right. The word is award. A-W-A-R-D. Good job. The next picture. Can you find a suitable word for this picture? I will give some clues. It is a 12-letter word. It starts with T and end with the same letter T. Can you guess this? The meaning of the word is an expert in any technology. Yes, you're right. The word is technologist. T E C H N O L O G I S T. Technologist. Very good. Dear children, you could create your own Pictionary for different type of professions, variety of food items and different type of emotions. Now again I show some pictures to you. Take your dictionary, refer your dictionary and find out the meaning for the picture. Are you ready for that? Dear children, look at the picture. Who is he? Yes, postman. What is the meaning for this word, postman? A person whose job is to collect letters, packages, etc. Very good. The next picture. Dear children, look at the picture. Who is he? Very good. Artist. A-R-T-I-S-T. Artist. Do you know the meaning for artist? Somebody who produces art, especially drawings and paintings. Do you like paintings? I like paintings. Okay students, now I will show another picture. Dear student, look at the picture. Who is he? Yes, you're right. Magician. Do you know the meaning for magician? Please take your dictionary, refer your dictionary and find out the meaning for magician. A person who performs magic tricks to entertain the people. Very good. Now I will show you another picture. Look at the picture. Can you guess this? Who is he? Astronaut. Yes. Do you like astronaut? Okay student, refer your dictionary and find out the meaning for the word astronaut. The meaning of the word astronaut is a person who goes into outer space. Good job. Dear children, now you could create your own Pictionary for action words. Look at the picture. Can you find the picture? The action word for this picture, sleep. Dear children, please refer your dictionary and find out the meaning for the word sleep. The meaning of the word sleep is to rest with your eyes closed and body and mind not active. Next picture. Dear children, look at the picture. What she is doing? She is reading. The action word for this picture, read. Please refer your dictionary and find out the meaning for the word read. The meaning of the word read is to say written words. Let's see the next picture. Dear student, look at this picture. What he is doing? He is drinking water. The word for this picture is drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. Dear student, refer your dictionary and find out the meaning for the word drink. The meaning of the word drink is to take liquid into your body through your mouth. Very good children. Let's see the next picture. Look at the picture. Can you say the word for this picture? What are they doing? They are counting numbers. Yes, the word for this picture is count. C-O-U-N-T. Count. Dear student, refer your dictionary and find out the meaning for the word count. The meaning for the word count is to say the number one after another in order. Very good, children. Now we learned about a Pictionary for action words. Now we will see the Pictionary for variety of emotions. Let us see some of the pictures of emotions. Look at the pictures. Can you guess this emotion? Yes, you're right. Happy. Are you happy now? Can you read the spelling for happy? H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. Now it is your turn. Please refer your dictionary and find out the meaning for the word happy. Let us see the picture of another emotion. Look at this. Can you get what emotion is this? Angry. Yes, angry. A-N-G-R-Y. Angry. Dear student, now it is your turn. Please take your dictionary and find out the meaning for the word angry. Effort. E-F-F-O-R-T. Effort. Dear children, refer your dictionary and find out the meaning for the word effort. The meaning for the word effort is attempt. A-T-T-E-M-P-T. Attempt. Let's see the next word. Passion. P-A-S-S-I-O-N. Passion. Do you know the meaning for the word passion? Refer your dictionary and get the meaning for the word passion. The meaning for the word passion is very strong feeling towards something to achieve. Dear children, let's see the next word. Believe. Do you know the meaning for the word believe? Please refer your dictionary and get the meaning for the word believe. The meaning of the word believe is faith. F-A-I-T-H. Faith. Let's see the another word. Ensure. E-N-S-U-R-E. Ensure. What is the meaning for the word ensure? Do you know that? Please take your dictionary and get the meaning for the word ensure. The meaning of the word ensure is to make sure that something happens. Let us see the picture for another emotion. What is this? Oh my God! Somebody crying. Yes. C-R-Y-I-N-G. Crying. Dear student, now it is your turn. Please take your dictionary and find out the meaning for the word crying. Good job. Dear student, now we learned how to create Pictionary for different type of professions, variety of emotions and etc. So please do your assignment what they given in the page number 26 of your Bridge Course module. Hello children, please take your Bridge Course module and turn the pages to page number 27. In the last session, we got wonderful experience on fun-filled game Pictionary. Have you completed your Pictionary assignment? I know that everybody in our class has completed your Pictionary assignment. Very good and keep it up. Dear student, please continue to refer the dictionary for your better learning experience. Today, we are going to see a new, very interesting and life-oriented story, The Struggling Star. Before that, I will ask some questions to you. Please try to answer my questions in your own way. What is your ambition? Good. Who is your role model and why? Very good. One more question to you. If you are defeated in the game, what would you do? Would you like to continue the game again? Okay, student. I'm sure this lesson provides the scope for learning honesty and perseverance. Let's start the story. In this lesson, the two characters, Farhan and his father, are discussing about Karthik's ambition and his struggles for acquiring education in spite of his disability. Karthik is blind. He was very smart and bright in his studies. He studied in Delhi Public School in New Delhi. Karthik did well in all subjects, but he liked the science the most. Everything was good for Karthik till his 10th standard. After his 10th standard, he wanted to study science in his 11th and 12th standard. But the rule of government Delhi did not allow to study the science for blind children after 10th standard. He struggled and protested against this rule of government Delhi. After 9 months later, he got permission to study. Not only for him, but for all visually challenged children. He was the first blind student in India to study science. Karthik's dream and passion were never limited. His love for science helped him get more than 95% in his 12th board exam. His dream was to study in an IIT. IIT is one of the best colleges in our country. But none of the 16 IITs in India enrolled him. Karthik was sincere and learned well. He was also very good at science. But our colleges did not recognize his talent and treated him unfairly. He did after many months. He made the colleges open their doors to blind students. He is strong. He is strong in his beliefs and learnings. He is strong in the effort he puts. What do you think he did after that? He must have studied in the IIT? No, he did not. He got an admission to study at Stanford University in the USA. It is one of the best colleges in the world. He went there and studied computers. He also started 2 more companies that aim at helping children with disabilities reach their full potential. Karthik believes that education and technology are important to ensure children learning and sustain themselves. Dear children, sometimes the support comes from outside, but many times it comes from within us. So now go ahead ready to fly with your dreams. And you should find the ways how to make your dreams come true. Be clear about your direction. Work hard at everything. Believe in yourself like Karthik. You will be succeed. Karthik says that he will try for many more months and years to come to make sure that all the 130 crore people reach their full potential. Now he received Young Leaders Award. We should learn from him that if we work hard, we will succeed. Dear student, you should build up the skill to fight for good cause. Dear children, this is time for you. Please refer your dictionary and get the meaning for the words given in your textbook. Let's see the first word. Recognize. RECOGNISE. Recognize. What is the meaning for the word recognize? The meaning of the word recognize is to accept someone or something. Let's see the next word. The next word is empowered. 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 Can you find the meaning for this word empowered? Dear children, refer your dictionary and please get the meaning for the word empowered. The meaning of the word empowered is to give the authority or power. Let's see the next word. The next word is potential. 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 Please refer your dictionary and get the meaning for this word potential. The meaning for the word potential is ability or talent. Let's see the next word. Dear children, the next word is sustain. 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 What is the meaning for sustain? Refer your dictionary and get the meaning for the word sustain. The meaning of the word sustain is keep going. Let's see the next word. Effort. 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 Dear children, refer your dictionary and find out the meaning for the word effort. The meaning for the word effort is attempt. 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 Let's see the next word. Passion. 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 Do you know the meaning for the word passion? Refer your dictionary and get the meaning for the word passion. The meaning for the word passion is very strong feeling towards something to achieve. Dear children, let's see the next word. Believe. Do you know the meaning for the word believe? Please refer your dictionary and get the meaning for the word believe. The meaning of the word believe is faith. 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 Let's see the another word. ensure. E-N-S-U-R-E, ensure. Ensure. E-N-S-U-R-E, ensure. What is the meaning for the word ensure? Do you know that? Please take your dictionary and get the meaning for the word ensure. The meaning of the word ensure is to make sure that something happens. Do you know the meaning for the word believe? Please refer your dictionary and get the meaning for the word believe. The meaning of the word believe is faith. F-A-I-T-H, faith. Let's see the another word. Ensure. E-N-S-U-R-E, ensure. What is the meaning for the word ensure? Do you know that? Please take your dictionary and get the meaning for the word ensure. The meaning of the word ensure is to make sure that something happens. The next word is inspiring. I-N-S-P-I-R-I-N-G, inspiring. What is the meaning for inspiring? Do you know that? Please refer your dictionary and get the meaning for the word inspiring. The meaning for the word inspiring is attract. A-T-T-R-A-C-T, attract. Dear children, this is time for you. And please do your assignment, what they given in the page number 28 of your Bridge Course module. Thank you.